If you're having trouble setting up multiplayer on your Steam Deck, follow these simple steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you get back to gaming with friends in no time. Step 1. Check internet connection. Ensure that your Steam Deck is connected to a stable internet connection. You can do this by navigating to the settings menu and checking the network status. A strong Wi-Fi signal is essential for multiplayer gaming. Step 2. Update Steam Deck software. Make sure your Steam Deck is running the latest software version. Go to the settings, select System, and then choose Check for updates. Installing any available updates can resolve compatibility issues. Step 3. Verify game files. If a specific game is not working for multiplayer, verify the game files. Open your Steam library, right-click on the game, select Properties, go to the Local Files tab, and click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. This will fix any corrupted files that may be causing issues. Step 4. Check game settings. Ensure that the multiplayer settings within the game are correctly configured. Launch the game, navigate to the multiplayer options, and confirm that you have selected the right mode and that your friends are added to your game. Step 5. Restart and reconnect. If the above steps do not resolve the issue, try restarting your Steam Deck and reconnecting to the game. Sometimes, a simple restart can clear temporary glitches and re-establish connections. By following these steps, you should be able to set up and enjoy multiplayer gaming on your Steam Deck. Happy gaming!